Greetings from Southern Yankee Homestead. If this is your first time, welcome. If you're a returning viewer, welcome back. Well, as you can see in the background, we got the camper out. We got a trip planned, and unfortunately, in almost 2 years since we used it, she's gotten really algae covered and dirty. So we're going to go through and give her a good bath. We're going to be using Super Clean for this, so follow along as we prepare it and do some testing to find out the most effective method for this. Alright, for the actual application, we're going to be using a cheap sprayer. I think this is like $8 at the local Walmart. So we're not going all out on cost on this one. We're going to be using our Super Clean, the standard spray bottle, except we're not going to use the spray bottle. We're going to go, hey Jessica, this is a good time to send us a little more, because we're almost out. And this is supposed to be mixed 4-to-1. Let me see if they get any labels on the side of this. Oh, there we go. So half gallon. Yeah, it's about right. I've already got the power washer hooked up to the hose, so we're going to go ahead and fill this to the 1 gallon mark. Before we start, I got one thing I really don't want to do, but don't have a choice. Over here, on the back side of our refrigerator, if you look, up in there we have a hornet's nest. And a hornet. And if you look up in there, we have an active hornet's nest. I'm going to set you up on distant camera because this is potentially going to suck. Alright, let's piss off some hornets. That went better than I had expected. I've got the nest down. Now I'm going to let them set for a little bit before I go in there and finish dehoming them. And in case you're curious, this is a Cruiser RV Striker 2916 toy hauler with a single slide and 50 amp main. We bought this 2017, yeah. And one of the reasons we bought this is because the Suzuki, our Samurai, fits in the back. You'll be seeing that here in one of our off the homestead videos that will be coming up here soon. So I could continue talking, but we got some super cleaning to do. Shameless plug. So to start off, we're going to do this in basically 4 portions. So we're going to do a little stretch over here that's just super clean, a little stretch that is super clean and scrubbing, a stretch that's just the power washer, and then we're going to leave a control that's just wet. When applying super clean, do not let it dry. Make sure the surface is wet and as cool as possible. Unfortunately, it was supposed to be raining right now and it's sunny, so I'm hoping the sun will come back or go back behind the clouds. We're planning this today intentionally because it's supposed to rain. We're in flash flood watches. As far as the power washer goes, it's a cheapie. It's a 2300 electric, Greenworks, I guess. And I've got a 40-degree spray nozzle on it to get the maximum amount of space. So let's go ahead and give her a spray. And we've decided that we're going to use a combination of things. So this portion here was just super clean in the spray bottle, which got it pretty good, but there's still some residual left. This here is what we scrubbed. Good to go. And then here is just the power wash, and then our control. So as you can see, the super clean is going to take care of a lot of it, but we're still going to have to do some scrubbing. So I'm thinking I'm going to go out and get some kind of an RV brush so that we can do this standing on the ground and not have to go up on a ladder, even though I think Hun wants to go up on a ladder, or wants me to go up on a ladder. I'm not sure which. Well, it's been a couple hours and we're done. I'll go ahead and do a side-by-side here so that you can see the before and after. So a big thanks goes out to Super Clean for supplying us with the well, the original. We also did the tires with the aerosol. So Jessica, if you're watching, we're out of aerosol and we're almost out of Super Clean, just FYI. But hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye. So we're gonna go through and give her a good blast. So for the mixing, we have this little sprayer, and oh my God, is the lighting horrible.